Traffic pattern analysis. We are analyzing the traffic pattern using machine learning based on the sample data collected through the drone. Here is the intersection looks like, and you can see the roads and the turns around this intersection. The data looks like this. This is open source data, and you can see multiple rows and columns. The sample data parameters are recording ID, frame rate, speed limit. There is X center, Y center, as well as the class, which shows whether it's car, pedestrian, or truck. Now we plotted the traffic flow, and you can see the cars going across the intersection. Each track record has a unique track ID as well as the recording ID. Now our goal was to find the traffic trends. We used DTW, which is dynamic time warping. It compares the two time series data of different length. And in this diagram, you can see two humans are walking with the same kind of data but of different duration. Then based on DTW, we plotted the cluster, and you can see the cluster here of different colors. Then the goal was to find anomalies. So when the car stop in a traffic, you can see the purple line, which is showing 0 velocity, and there are certain track 1 or track 300 they stopped in between. Then there's a U-turn anomaly where people are taking illegal U-turn, and if I add the pedestrian data, you can see more data like this. Then we also use the DB, a density-based spatial clustering, where you can see the clusters are formed with certain minimum distance and minimum number of points. And based on that, we identify the no driving zone. So you can see no driving zone 1, no driving zone 2, the traffic is passing through that. As well as we are able to use that to identify the anomalies where people or pedestrians are crossing the road and intersection. Now by using this, we are able to provide the data that will be helping the traffic department to minimize the anomalies on the traffic.